My name is Tess Van Zalinge. I'm a fashion designer from the Netherlands, based in Amsterdam. Currently, I'm working on the newest couture collection. I create sustainable couture. And besides my creative collections, I also do creative collaborations. And this time we're working on a very special charity project for WWF.
As an artist and designer, you give a lot of importance to craft and heritage. Also, your works are based on upcycling and your art has a sustainable mission. How can craftsmanship be combined with innovation into fashion? And which is the relationship between art and fashion?
Within my sustainable couture collections, I work a lot with crafts, and what I do with those traditional crafts is really try to look at them and innovate them. And I do that by using modern technologies to really see how we can keep those traditions alive and implement them in modern couture.
Durability is for you a status quo. Your strength is also the combination of different craft forms and durability, but you also develop digital collections. So, what is the relations between those aspects? And is digital couture possible?
Within my work, besides trying to innovate certain crafts, we're also really working on the whole digital fashion movement. We started working with that a few years ago, and I think it's important to really see how you can improve from it as a traditional couture designer. So we work with a lot of digital artists within the fashion field, and I think it's very interesting to see how those two very different worlds can sort of come together and create something new and really help sustain also fashion in that way.
Could you describe this period with your art? How do you see the future of fashion?
I think for me at the moment, my whole creation process is really all about connecting and collaborating. I really feel like if we're in this together, we can really turn this whole fashion industry around. And I also see that there the future needs to go, like collaborating, joining forces, inspiring one another to create a more healthier and sustainable fashion industry. I think that designs need to be cherished among a positive and conscious contribution.